Hi guys. I am Emma, your host. Welcome to all in today's podcast show. Australia's boiler industry has experienced exponential growth over the past few decades. All leading industries utilize various varieties of boilers, such as steam boilers, water-back boilers, locomotive boilers, and so on. The use of economizers has become widespread in boiler plants around the globe. Contact O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd if you are searching for professional guidance to ensure an energy-efficient solution. Their trained employees are well-equipped and aware of the significance of energy efficiency. O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd offers comprehensive maintenance for steam boiler economizers throughout Australia. Visit o'brienenergy.com.au and call 1300771759 for more information. That's all for today. Thanks for listening.